Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the installation of operating system on a computer. First of all, you should insert a bootable pen drive um, that contains the images in bootable form in your pen drive. We have inserted a pen drive with the system, and after that we are booting it with the specific keys which are available for different systems. For this current system, we are booting it from pen drive, and we have this option. And as you can see that there are multiple options of booting, so we are going to boot it from SanDisk. This option, this highlighted option over here. So we will update, we will boot it and like that, or by simply pressing the enter. So it will check the system, and yes, you can see that the bootable pen drive is detected, and you have three options over here, that is CentOS, Ubuntu 18.04, show as the Ubuntu 20.04. So we are going to install Ubuntu 18.04. ISO images are available over here, as you can see that in the highlighted bar. So by selecting the required selection, you can simply enter, and the installation will be started after a few checks. You can see that will check, and yes, Ubuntu installation is started, and it will check and ask few information. So as selection, yes, you can simply use try Ubuntu without installation. That is the Ubuntu from pen drive directly, or you can use this installed Ubuntu option. We are going to install Ubuntu option, and the next is the selection of keyboard layout. We are going to select it as English. You can use your required one, and simply pressing continue. Yes, that is very important actually, the update handler softwares. If you are going to install it by selecting the normal installation, you will have all the required utilities, office and games, etc., along with the media players. The other option is minimal installation. Minimal installation is the installation in which you only have web browser and basic utilities. Actually, this option is for those systems which have memory issues, or simply they don't want to have GNOME desktop, etc. settings. So we are going to select it normal installation, because we want all the office softwares and media players complete utilities. So by selecting normal installation, we simply press continue, and you will see that it will give option about the data erase from the disk. So you can simply use the option erase data and install Ubuntu. If your operating system is installed in your hard drive, it may give two more options, that is erase data and reinstall Ubuntu, and or parallel installation of your Ubuntu along with the other operating system. For example, you have Windows operating system in your hard drive, and you want to install Ubuntu as well. It will ask you whether you want to install it parallel. So from here we have inserted a new hard drive, so there is no other options, because we don't have operating system already installed operating system in our hard drive. So this is actually the only option appearing here. You might have three options related to this erase disk and install Ubuntu in those drives in which you have some sort of operating system installed before. So we will simply select this without going into the details of LVM, that is local volume management. We will just have single partition of our hard drive, and we will pressing simply continue, and it will give you the option that erase because we have selected erase disk and install Ubuntu. So it will be cross check again, install install now. It will again appear a pop-up window in which you will check, or it is double checking that your disk is going to be removed and changed to the single partition, or if you are going to use it via LVM. So simply, so the next is about the selection of your zone. We are selecting our required one. You can choose from this world map your own required location. Continue. The next is the setup of your username as well as your PC name and password. So you can insert your own password or accordingly and simply continue. So the installation of your operating system has been started. It will take few minutes. It may take a bit more time depending upon your system specifications and your hard disk, whether you are using HDD or SSD. It is totally depends upon your system specifications. So currently it is installing operating system. As you can see that the system is installing over here, and this is configure and scanning all the required things, and it is going on. We are almost there. It is configuring hardware and all the utilities, that is the required media packages and softwares like Office. And you can see that it is compiling or installing very quickly. So the installation has been completed, and you will get it this pop-up window. Your pop-up window will give you the message that installation completed. So installation is completed, and you just need to restart your computer, and your system is ready for the use with the operating system Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video.